Website na ya meka ho asem ni nyina no. Most of them no foreign websites. Betia waka through PayPal, Bitcoin, and say any other payment gateway international. But in any video no, we be try a website me get paid through mobile money. The first website on my list no 15ghana.com. 15ghana.com. It's a brand site in so it's Fiverr.com. Okay. Saying a Fiverr.com here. It's a website we say one taking inspiration from Fiverr.com. They very sure. And the same thing, say Fiverr.com here no. So and a 15ghana.com. It's here. But me a freelance job I say. And say be a photo editor, a video editor, a programmer, my service be to say be a virtual assistant, a music director. Any skill be a no. But me abatu say. Now when ya sika ede free ho no mo a sika no betua in mobile money. Alright, featured services no ebi any we say or say I will design brochure for your startup. Inti service bia wonim bia no obetumi abe promote ewa ha say maye full tutorial about sa website we say nko a na ma show services a obede beto ya say na odi enya sika ewo sa website we say so bia say onya skilled ewo any field mpo a we need problem metro some strategies bia obetumi ede ayesa anyama we say munyina. I think say okoswa STD me previous videos na ubenya fair idea about the American asem no. Until the only one say abe promote or service e was our website face so 15ghana.com. Na nkofo e that service na oya mo na wetimi I get paid. And I know me kind of previous videos ni mo be say enye de bia na e was say wo ankasa e na o provide that services no. Wetimi apple bi or yes skilled e was that particular service na wono o provide no. Oyema wa na wono o dia brew customer no na waje sikane de free ho no de sikane bi akotua nipa na oye nika na chese wenya mfa so e de free ho no mo into betimi you see the drop servicing business model no na o de ayedwuma e wo 15ghana.com. One of the best websites which me get to paid in Ghana through mobile money or online. You say open say we making money online. Check out 15ghana.com. Now a promote or services I say na a okay. Me who back na I am in energy. I think say we or say I will braid your hair on the weekend. Say weekend be no say oh feel na so person boat here and cost salary honomo or their friend about your boat in a very lucrative business and another year. Until the let's assume say in a day no so onyanko for 3 crab bomb with mom or so budget ba could be 60 cedis. I don't know mean be share okay or mean be mpo na men share say be or other charges ana na mean be calculator until let assume say 60 cedis per it's ba kon we bo 60 cedis multiply 3 or the me say 3 okay 180 cedis each and every weekend be from 3 people. Okay. Into no also bet me a business bisa. I did be a winning me a biana, with me about 15 Ghana na utimi Eddie and Jessica. Go through the categories na eshe ni ubit me a year. Never will gig and of at honomo. Maybe woman no the service no. Okay. Or say basic service no value 60 cedis. Standard no a no or waka a bit complicating kakra or say no value 100 cedis. And advance no obejo 150 cedis. Inti let assume say onya 100 cedis. 100 cedis multiply 3 people. 300 Ghana cedis every weekend CBA. You understand? Inti no a very good business in asane pano oye e wo say. Inti won so school be a wonim bia no. Abeto website we say so. Na obe get paid through mobile money. Men can say enye adwuma. Okay, inti yanko the next website. Some website we say obi enim a very common Ghana Jumia. When we say Jumia ye ton enema ho e-commerce website. Now obi den and I want to me making money a free website we so. Okay, fine. Obi to me do product about jumia.com. Na ode enyesika but nya no ho asem and am beka kra. Okay, we need product to be a we need shop be a ton review ho. Obi den way to me making money through Jumia.com. Jumia for a program via a friend say Jumia affiliate. affiliate nature say ube promote one product na mo hono de woni gye ho so person promote bia no ube promote either say or the better website so and I say social media ebia wo ye TikToker ebia wo ye esawe yi fofra be popo app ye bia wo so obetimi e promote business bia na say product bia we need problem fra jumia.com na e call one affiliate side no o yo mo affiliate marketer na wa market product no product e beto dey free wo bia no obenya commission e dey free ho obetimi di product atoto status na ya de de se nipa ne ready so beto na wo the link na manipa no na we follow akoto Jumia for website ne so wono wo nkra hwe wo nkra ni inventory bia wonye ho hwe de hia ne se we promote na nipa na akoto na wonya osika pepepe nti we nso no on be get to pay through mobile money Jumia.com affiliate ne nso no ete say Amazon associate I'm trying to say Amazon associate yeah o say Amazon enso ye e-commerce website okay almost so e wo affiliate aspect obetumi akọ promote ade ho na waton eno no meka ho asem ekire de ntia ma fa meka we ho ne say on say no no omu ntia o ka through mobile money is either say obe transfer call PayPal and as a bank and as any other way but ena meka sa de afa mobile money ho eno ntia me say fa Jumia no nti Jumia no say opese wo sign up to be affiliate obe call website we say so call.jumia.com kol.jumia.com na otimi join one affiliate no on Jumia affiliate ne so no besan ba back bi na abaye tutorial on its own na ma show how best which me a promote Jumia product no na we dey enye sika e dey free online through mobile money it's yanko the next website third website no a Nation Republic Republic and so no e kwan ba paso which me enye sika wa ha say no e mienu obetimi ebe promote o product e wo ho nti say o product bia obetimi ebe promote wa ha say e na say o services bi so a obetimi ade atoha ti sesa ne obetimi do service akoto 15ghana.com no the same thing obetimi do service abeto Nation Republic okay nti ahanso no benya nkrofo a ombe order service no na wetimi enye sika e dey free ho no but some person onye sika dey free website no straightforward that e ji say wo your omo affiliate okay say wo your omo affiliate na say o promote wonom services no and o promote wonom website no de kire obi kan ho asem de kire obi na say nipa ne sign up a wonom mo services no 3 omo ba kwa ye de 10 cedis e na sign up e na ba kwa ye de 50 cedis e na sign up e na ba kwa ye de 100 cedis e na sign up into accounts no e 3 different accounts okay it is obi sign up through your link with the 10 cedis one now obenya 9 cedis affiliate commission and as obi sign up with the 50 cedis account now obenya 40 cedis referral commission and as obi sign up with the 100 cedis account now obenya 70 cedis commission nti e so simple ma me fa 9 cedis na krampo enye calculation na yemfa ne say day bia no obenya nipa 3 o yemfa ne say 3 on nipa 3 na omo sign up obenya 27 cedis in a day okay the 27 cedis in a day no yemfa multiply by 30 which is in a month no obetimi enya 810 Ghana cedis okay ebebo opa alright remember na abaye video about Nation Republic office obey affiliate marketer na so person be promote product na any services enye free e just want so sign up with either 10 cedis 50 cedis and I say 100 cedis 10 cedis no a basic account and no last for 2 months and 50 cedis no a basic account but last for 1 year and 100 cedis no a business account and last for 1 year okay until no with me assign up until so ha say na no me register ne so umia register na wa start to say oh yeah registration until ha say no obefa say we free Ghana na we choose we you know account corner open na we choose nti e bia basic account na umia register ne so na why process ni nyina kama okay na aha say no we be so asem bi say username of who invited you no na what the road to what asha ha say road to what okay what the road to what asha ho no ma mensumenya sa commission na me kan ho asem no depending on the account na wafa no obe send this as no either 10 cedis obe send ya ko numbers na one me provide e wa ha say e the amount okay nti no say we send this kind of commercial number na what the transaction ID no abasha ha say on say so send this bia na ya almost send your transaction ID pasa number no e be sha ha say nti e bia sa number we ya okay na abodi a she ho na fe o create your password na we create your account no nti no from there no wait me promote your services and as a product or and obet me so aka ho asem na do affiliate link and as a username no e de ama obi say enipa no e click so na so sign up na wanya commission. Okay, nti ano so no betua oka through mobile money. Very simple. You know, all right. The fourth website I'm de no, and it say dinkan subscribe to channel. We say one subscriber ni mo no. When you say we make money online daily, subscribe to that channel. We say and turn it on notification bell. Na dane de nyina no. Me the video bi at say de abro. Na me the bounce on so no wonya enkai bo no. Afi so any just a particular video we ho now why like it. Fourth website is cdisroom.com. cdisroom.com. I was cdisroom no. Men can ho send bebre. It's say my video after 100 and the video ni better video description I say. I now watch it and na when you more knowledge about cdisroom. But I have some say well signing up and you free. Ubetia 30 Ghana cedis. Now they are signing up. After start signing up no, on say news I will say bebre. Okay. Say already news or website we so ometia o kabata e yankesikiti. Ometia news bi I think say 10 pesos, but could be at 10 pesos, it be at 10 pesos. And as I commenting, so I'll make you 10 pesos. But say all refer will be okay. With the website, no one dance the trade will be. That's any panel signing up through your link. And as a username now, Ubenya 20 Ghana cedis as commission, 20 Ghana cedis as commission. Into letters, me say when ya nipe 2 daily, daily no 40 Ghana cedis multiply by 7 no. 280 Ghana cedis. Nti when so a legit website which me I get to pay through mobile money Ghana. Share ne video na me na nkasa no video description no ase na if I hu no kwan be paso a ube manipulate sa website we say. Nti no ebusia these are 4 websites which me I get to paid online through mobile money Ghana. Nti no say ube use sa website we say na order aye ejuma. Madam ho na ye share videos na edi yen enim back on. Macrow for now.